Dear viewers, today we will discuss very important topic, development. Development in psychology refers to the study of how individuals change and grow over time from infancy to old age. This includes both physical and psychological development and encompasses a wide range of topics including cognitive development, social and emotional development, personality development, and lifespan development. The study of development in psychology is interdisciplinary, drawing on research and theories from fields such as biology, neuroscience, sociology, and education. Understanding the patterns and processes of development can provide insights into how individuals acquire knowledge, form relationships, and navigate the challenges of life. In psychology, the study of development is often divided into several broad stages such as childhood, adolescence, adulthood, and old age, each with its own unique challenges and opportunities. Developmental psychologists use a variety of research methods, including observational studies, experiments, and surveys to better understand the complex processes of human growth and change. Types of development, very important in psychology. In psychology, development can be classified into several different types. First one is physical development, refers to change in a person's body, size, shape, and physical abilities over time, including changes in height, weight, and motor skills. Cognitive development refers to change in a person's mental abilities, including attention, memory, perception, and problem solving skills. Third one is language development, refers to changes in a person's ability to understand and use language, including the equations of vocabulary and grammar. Social and emotional development refers to change in a person's ability to form and maintain relationships, understand and regulate their emotions, and develop a sense of self. Fifth one is moral development, refers to change in a person understanding of right and wrong, as well as the development of their own moral values and principles. Sixth one is personality development, refers to change in a person's enduring patterns of thoughts, feelings, and behaviors over time, including the formation of a unique sense of self. Seventh one is lifespan development, refers to change and patterns of development that occur throughout a person's entire life from conception to old age. Each of these types of development is influenced by a complex interplay of biological, social, environmental factors, and they often interact and influence one another in complex ways.